Hi guys, so I'm starting a new episode or series on my channel which I call Ghost Touch Diaries, and this is dedicated to my precious iPhone, which is able to move on its own, send messages, call people, send pictures when I'm not aware. And today we are on the Facebook app. Now, if you don't know about Ghost Touch, if you use an iPhone, X especially, but it applies to all different models of iPhones. When you press some parts of the screen, they might not respond. Like it happens randomly. And then when you are there and you are not using the phone, then the phone will just wake up and start misbehaving. So as you can see, nobody's touching the phone and it's misbehaving. And I've done a couple of videos on this same topic, and people have reported this on all models of iPhones, even the iPhone 11 Pro Max. The iPhone 12 is a bit new, so we haven't had reports of this. So whilst we are waiting for the phone to misbehave, let's read this piece of advice that this guy called Frank has for the brothers. He says, "My dear brothers, if you're not married to her, you don't owe her any responsibility of giving her money to buy a phone, clothes, transportation, food, hair, upkeep, etc. Don't do anything under compulsion. If you feel like doing it, you can. If you don't do it, you have not sinned. Don't let anyone guilt trip you. If because you don't do these things, she threatens to leave you for someone else, please let her leave. Why? Give the money to your parents and they will pronounce blessings on you. Thanks, baby." And then this good lady, Peggy, says, "Good, same way the lady doesn't owe you anything. Cooking, washing, and the likes, not to talk about sex. Tea for me, Darcy." So let me know in the comments what your thoughts are on this subject of dating and, responsibilities in a dating relationship. Is it a man's or the boy's role to be providing phone and food and hair and all that? Let me know in the comments below. Now, before I turn on the camera, the Ghost Touch was misbehaving a lot, but today, now that I turned on the camera, it's a bit shy. It's just trying to copy text. Sometimes it can reply and type a whole comment, like a whole comment. It can send replies, it can create posts, and other people said just wakes up at midnight and makes calls and things like that. And yeah, so this is my experience of the Ghost Touch. Today's episode is on Facebook. If you are new to my channel, I do mobile phone reviews, mobile app reviews, and I bring to you affordable gadget reviews to help you make an informed decision when you're making your next purchase. So if you like that kind of content, please click on the subscribe button and turn on all notifications so you do not miss any episode. Now, just look at what's happening right now. The screen is stuck between two different pages, between the notifications page and look. The ghost is trying to move it to the previous post. Like, can you see it moving? This is crazy. This is scary. This is insane. Apple, come on, man. What's all this? This phone cost $700 when it was launched. That was a lot of money. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. All right, guys, so let me go and look for some holy water and some crucifix and some Bible and some baptismal water and come and pour it on this phone so that this ghost will be abolished. See you in the next episode of the Ghost Touch Diaries. I'm out. Thanks, people.